Polar bears, Ursus maritimus, are large, carnivorous mammals native to the Arctic region. They are well adapted to the extreme cold and harsh conditions of the Arctic and are known for their association with sea ice and their powerful swimming abilities. Here are some key facts about polar bears. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores, with males weighing between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and standing about 8 to 10 feet, 2.4 to 3 meters, tall when on their hind legs. They have thick fur, which appears white to the human eye, but it's actually translucent, with a black skin underneath to help them absorb and retain heat. Their paws are large, with sharp claws, which are ideal for walking on ice and hunting seals. Polar bears are primarily found in the Arctic Circle, including the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas, and coastlines. They are most commonly associated with sea ice, where they hunt for seals, their primary prey. Polar bears are carnivorous predators and their primary food source is seals, particularly ringed and bearded seals. They hunt seals by wading near breathing holes in the ice or breaking through the ice to access seal breathing holes. Polar bears are excellent swimmers, and they can cover long distances in the water. They are also known for their patience when hunting seals. They spend much of their lives alone but come together during the breeding season. Polar bears have a keen sense of smell, which helps them locate seals from great distances. Female polar bears give birth to 1 to 3 cubs, usually in December or January, after a gestation period of about 8 months. The cubs are born very small and vulnerable and remain with their mother for about 2 years. Polar bears are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Their primary threat is the loss of sea ice due to climate change, which affects their ability to hunt for seals. As the ice melts earlier in the year and forms later, polar bears have less time to hunt and build up their fat reserves. Efforts are underway to protect polar bears and their habitat. This includes international agreements, such as the 1973 Agreement on the Conservation of Polar Bears, which restricts hunting, as well as measures to address climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions to preserve their icy habitat. Polar bears are often considered a symbol of the impacts of climate change on wildlife, as they face significant challenges due to the shrinking of their sea ice habitat. Conservationists and scientists continue to monitor and study polar bear populations to understand and mitigate the threats they face. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more fascinating content.